is going to be the final video of my closet cluttering. I honestly found things that I forgot I had, like old childhood stuff, which is why I really want to declutter it. Not necessarily declutter, but more organize it, because everything's all over the place and I just wanted to see what I have. Some boxes. So basically what I'm saying is I got some boxes and I'm putting things in already. Childhood stuff like papers and things, and then I made a box for like childhood clothing, like really like baby stuff that I'm not gonna really use, and then I just reorganize in my closet. And now what I want to do now, I got a ladder from another closet in the house, and I want to try and put my suitcases up in my closet if I can by myself. I'm gonna go and try get some more stuff done and do a time lapse in a little bit. I just want to read this and see exactly what it says. So I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. This is my suitcase I use for a lot of trips. This is a Samsonite suitcase. In case you're wondering, bright red color, because honestly for some reason when I was going to California back in the day, and what year was it? 2015? Whatever year it was. I'll link the vlog. I wanted a colorful suitcase because everybody had black, and I want to make sure I can find mine. So that's the story of my suitcase. And I'm kind of out of breath. I managed to get one suitcase thing up there. Not sure if I'm going to be able to get this one up without any help. Sorry, I put things all over. This is actually the bottom, so just put that in and reorganize this. Put some papers in from when I was a kid. And things like that in here. Is there anything else I want to put in here? I don't. Oh. Leave my piano book. And old things I want to put in here. And these are all just old clothing pieces. Look how tiny I was, guys. This is like an old sweater. I don't know if somebody in the family made it. I really don't know. But I'm like a big memory person, so. I want to put this in. Stick you in here. Let's do the Marie Kondo method here. You know? We like that method. This actually is pretty spacious, these containers. I'll definitely be linking them down below, guys. So I don't know if I need another one or not. Like, I'm always forgetting things. This is high school graduation, 2012, in case you guys are wondering what year I graduated high school. Hey guys, so it's actually days later of this closet tour, closet clean out series. So I actually just want to show you guys what the closet looks like now, and not like exactly how I would really like it, like fully, but you know what, this is what it's gonna be. This is how I did it, and maybe like we'll do like another one in the future. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this. Give a big thumbs up, and here is the final look. Okay, so I just want to just a little talk here before I do the fun overlay part, but I just want to like just talk how I organize it a little bit. So yes, so I still have my guitar. I still have to post it onto Facebook Marketplace and sell it, but it will get rid of one of these days. So now we have a real empty floor, which I really like. I just have my tripod back there. So of just random things. There are a few empty drawers. I think there's one empty drawer. And then I have my camera equipment up here, all my DVDs here. And then I just have like a bunch of CDs and random miscellaneous stuff. So up here, again, I tried to organize it. I do still have to get rid of my Easy Bake Oven. Once that's gone, I'll like the closet a lot more. So these are just old things that like I don't want to get rid of. Like toys from childhood, I don't want to get rid of. So put them up there. I did manage to put suitcases up here like I said I wanted to. So that's there. So that's good for whenever I have to travel back in the city or travel in general. I know there's at least one suitcase here. I have my old blanket I used to use, but I got a new one a while ago for the winter and like summertime. So this is just here for emergencies with friends or family in case of cold. So, and then I just kind of organize by, I don't know, more like season almost. I don't know exactly. I do want to get new hangers to make it look all cohesive. That's gonna be my next step. But like, I just have like bigger sweaters here that like need to be hung up. Some jeans stuff. My skirts that I can wear for Shabbat or holiday. Here are my scarves, but I think I'm gonna put it more in a box. I have like summer dresses, nice dresses for work, more like work outfits. And then on this side, here are all like my blazers that I would wear for work, or like nice long sleeve shirts for work. And then here are all my like cardigans, winter ones, and here are more spring fall ones that I can wear. So like I said, the floor is now empty. I just have my laundry basket, which I need to get a new one. But like all ripped, as you guys can see. And then I have my tripod, and then I have shoes. My shoes that you saw I went through. And then here's some bags for like concerts or just extra bags. Like I have my clear bag for a concert, and then I also have a fanny pack in case I need that. That is my closet. I hope you guys like this. Give a big thumbs up. And yeah, I have one more declutter video, which is my makeup, coming your way soon. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.